Hi, this is Scott Thompson from expertvillage.com, and today I'm going to demonstrate a way to build an ocean in a bottle and demonstrate that some solutions just do not mix. Looking at this salad dressing bottle that's been sitting there for a few minutes now, you can see how it's beginning to reclassify itself. The oil is slowly working its way to the top, displacing the water to the bottom. And it won't be much longer, and it'll be a solid line, clearly a demarcation, show the two solutions. This is one of the test tubes that I gave a good shaking about 5 minutes ago. And at that time, it was all the same color throughout, just a light blue. Now it's beginning to separate back. This is a fun thing to do with a classroom of kids if you have the chance, because you can have them all shake their oceans before they go to recess and then put them on the windowsill, and 15-20 minutes later when they come back, they'll have the look of this. They'll all be separated again. You can talk about the different properties of the solutions.